Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals, today we're going to learn how to draw Santa's hat in a super easy step-by-step way. So grab your markers and let's get started. First, draw a shape that looks like a big fluffy cloud in the form of a rectangle. Add lots of little bumps around the edges to make it look nice and soft. That's the way, all the way around and join. Now, next to that, we're going to draw a little cloud shape, this time smaller and more circular. That will be the pom-pom of the hat. Now we need to join them. Draw a small arch from this side of the rectangle to the pom-pom. Then from the opposite side, draw a big arch over the top towards the right-hand side of the pom-pom. That looks great! You've just drawn Santa's hat. Now for the fun part, colouring it in. You can choose whatever colour you like, but I'm sticking with traditional red. Try to practice keeping inside the lines, but don't worry if you go outside of them sometimes. That's all part of learning, and you'll get better every time you practice. Finished. Well done, everybody.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.